It is going to be a sunny, bright day today in Toyland. But now it's still night time and the sun hasn't come up yet. The only creature awake at this hour is the rooster.
My favorite time of day, watching Toy Town come to life. Well, I'd better start my rounds. All the town is waking, opening their eyes. Bakers are baking, muffins on the rise. Chickens are a-clucking, shops are set to sell. It's a jolly morning, going jolly well.
Oh gosh, the sun's up! Wake up, little car, wake up!
Well, I finished my rounds in town. Now it's time to check on the countryside. All right, we can't have you all out there in the road. Move along there. Come on, hurry along. Step lively. Ooh! Look here, horse. No messing about. I'm on official business. Looks like I'm going to have to write you a ticket as well. Here, stop that. These are official policeman shoes, not toys. It is entirely too noisy around here. We have laws about noise, you know. You do well to not cause so much trouble. Be quiet! If I hear one more peep, quack, or moo out of any of you, I'll be forced to put you in jail. Right! I warned you. You're coming with me. And that's where you'll stay until you learn to listen to the law. I don't want to hear another sound out of you, ever! Oh dear, it's 7 o'clock in the morning. I must have overslept. Well, I'd better start my rounds. Where is everyone? No Dinah, no Miss Pink Cat, no Noddy.
Oh, what's wrong, Mr. Plod? Why did you wake me in the middle of the night?
It's not night, Mr. Sparks. It's morning. But nobody is up and going about their business.
It can't be morning. There's no sun. See?
Good heavens! You're right. The sun isn't there. Someone's stolen the morning. Wake up, Toy Town! Wake up!
What's going on?
Citizens of Toy Town, a very serious thing has happened. Very serious indeed. It seems that morning is here, but it looks like night. That's why I'm calling this the case of the stolen morning.
Good heavens. I just... no sun means no breakfast.
And no shoppers.
No eggs!
No taxi rides.
No day.
No anything!
Then what are we going to do about it?
Mr. Plod, I think the reason there's no morning is because the rooster didn't do his duty. If he doesn't stand up on the barn and go cock-a-doodle-doo, the sun won't come up.
Yes,
very
true. Yeah.
You must let him out, Mr. Plod.
I'm sorry, but that rooster was breaking the law yesterday, and it's up to me to keep Toy Town free of trouble.
Oh, it's quite right about that.
Well, we might as well all go home.
Oh, well, back to bed.
Wait! Aren't you going to open your shops?
What's the point? Who shops in the dark?
But this is my favorite time of day. Oh, it used to be.
Everyone else can go home, but I'm not giving up. If the sun needs to hear cock-a-doodle-doo from the top of the barn, then that's what I'll do. Cock-a-doodle-doo! Oh, it's a no use car. I suppose only the rooster can make it work.
It looks like there's no point to doing my rounds anymore. In fact, there's no point in being a policeman if there's no one around to police. Oh no! What would I do if I wasn't a policeman? I can't let that happen. Policemen need people, and people need daytime, and daytime needs the sun, and the sun needs... There you are, Rooster. Get up on the roof. I take back what I said. I do want to hear another sound from you.
But Mr. Plod, I thought you said that the rooster was breaking the law by making so much noise.
You see, Noddy, I realized that making noise is what the rooster is supposed to do. And when he does what he's supposed to do, then I can do what I'm supposed to do. Solve hard cases, of course. And today was one of my hardest. The case of the stolen morning. Why, there wouldn't be any sunshine if it wasn't for me. That is, if it wasn't for me and the rooster.